Now we've added significant noise to the environment, and we're going to test out how the nothing open ears sound like in a noisy environment. As you can see here, our decibel readings are anywhere between 48 and 84 decibels of noise. Let's go ahead and switch to the open ear, and we'll stay quiet for a couple seconds and see how they sound. Now in today's video, we're taking a look at the open ear from nothing. And we're going to test these out. We're going to put them through the test. We're going to see how well they do in our call quality test using EBPMAN style tech. We're also going to give you a sampling of what they sound like, and we'll see if these are going to be something that you'd like to consider. They're highly popular. You see a lot of people talking about these, and I was really curious to pick these up and put them through the test. Let's get right to it. Now let's talk about some of the specs and some of the features here. As you take a look at these, this is pretty much all there's in the box with a USB-C cable. That's it. So you're going to be able to get 8 hours of usage, right? And you're going to be able to get 30 hours out of the case. Now, that is going to be playback. Now, if you're thinking about talk time, 6 hours and 24. So they're making the distinction between the two. 8 for one, 6 for the other. Now, from a connectivity perspective, you're looking at Bluetooth 5.3, right? And they do support multi-point. In the actual application, you can actually have them connected to devices at the same time. Now, they also have an IP rating of 54, and they also have AI clear call technology, which we're going to see in our call quality tests. Now, for those of you who do gaming, they also have a low lag feature where you can actually turn that on, and it's going to give you enhanced gaming support. Now, as we look at these, I didn't see that they support any kind of wireless charging. There was nothing in the documentation that indicated it did, but we're going to go ahead and double check them to make sure that there's not anything that we're missing. And you'll notice there's no kind of sound that comes from these, so no wireless charging present. Really thin case, and these again are really nice to wear because when you wear these, and you'll notice how they just lock into the case. This case also has a little button right here that you'll push for pairing, and then when you look at the back, you have your USB-C here. It's larger than some of the cases I've seen, but what they did is that they put the earbuds one on each side as opposed to them side by side like this to reduce the footprint. These, when you're wearing them, if you're going to answer a call, if you're going to do anything with the call, all you do is pinch, right? There's pinch functions. Pinch once, pinch twice, pinch and hold. You'll be able to do this. And there's an app as well that allows you to have like an enhanced bass boost. You have this really nice silicone here. And I want to tell you that my experience so far with these have been really, really comfortable. I've heard some people talk about, hey, you know what? They're not as comfortable or that they fall out. And I'm just going to put them on so you can see. They rest nicely. So you see how they don't go in your ear, but they rest. These are going to be for those who want to be aware of what's going on around you, and for those of you who, let's say, are riding a bike, running, and want to hear your surroundings. These are also great for someone, for example, that is visually impaired, someone who's blind, who needs to keep their senses, but would like to still listen to an audiobook, or if they're using a assisted device that basically does prompts, and they want to hear the prompts, right? That is important as well. So there's a lot of different scenarios. From an audio perspective, let me tell you this, right? And they haven't fallen out of my ear, so you can see how they look. And they have a low profile, although you can see on the sides here, kind of the white. The white stands out a little bit. I think there should be a black version as well, but depends on the contour of your face. Now, for music, bass, mids, and highs are going to be present, but it's not immersive because they don't sit in your ear. There is some sound leakage. Someone could hear it, right, as they are next to you, depending on how loud you're running these. And what I found is that while bass, it has bass boost and it has an EQ that you can adjust, I don't find them to be as bass present. And I also, when I think about the mids, the lows, and the highs, I have found other open ear earbuds that have better sound quality. You know, just being really honest about that experience. They're not bad in any way, but if I were to compare them to others that are in this space, you know, this is their first time that they're doing open ear. There are other open earbuds that have, I would say, better sound reproduction. These also then, as we said, have that AI for calls, so that's going to be something else we're going to test. Would you be able to tell, you know, if it's better or worse than another brand? Not unless you've tested many of them like I have. So from an audiobook perspective, which I listen a lot to audiobooks, they're great. Bass, mids, and highs is present. But if I'm looking at how the fidelity is and how high quality they are, I would say they're good, and they could be great. Maybe with some firmware upgrades, we'll see them, right? But that's just what my experience is going to be. So next, we're going to do a call quality test of the open ear earbuds in a quiet environment. As you can take a look at our decibel readings, around 38 to 42 decibels of noise. It's going to switch. This is what the open ear will sound like from nothing in a quiet environment. This is a test. 1, 2, 3. This is your test. Next, let's add some wind. Now, this is what the open ear will sound like with wind in the environment. This is a test. 1, 2, 3. This is a test. Now, we've added significant noise to the environment, and we're going to test out how the nothing open ear sound like in a noisy environment. As you can see here, our decibel readings are anywhere between 48 and 84 decibels of noise. Let's go ahead and switch to the open ear, and we'll stay quiet for a couple seconds and see how they sound. Now, this is what the open ear earbuds sound like from nothing in a noisy environment. This is a test. 1, 2, 3. This is our test. Now, if you're wondering what they sound like with an infant crying in the background, well, this is what they sound like with an infant crying. If you're wondering what they sound like with a dog barking, this is what they sound like with a dog barking. If you're wondering what they sound like with the doorbell ringing, this is what they're going to sound like with the doorbell ringing.
You look at me like I'm crazy when I shut my feelings out. You look at me like I'm different. Still you stay cause you feel something real. Get so lost in my moments. Doesn't mean I don't need you. I fell in love with your colors. They kinda tell me what I'm thinking. Bass.
So guys, overall, they did and performed really well in our call quality test. So I can see how their AI technology is really doing what they say. It did a lot of cancellation. In some areas, there were things that popped in, but it did relatively well. So is this the type of earbud, open ear model earbud for you? That's going to come down to, is this the kind of style that you're looking for? I'm a super fan of these, and I like the fact that I can wear one at a time. I like the fact that they have 6 to 8 hours of battery life, depending on, again, your specific usage and how either you're talking or listening. I do spend a lot of time on the phone, but I also spend a lot of time listening to music or audiobooks. So keep in mind those things. And also, if you're looking for this kind of style, it has a cool case. They also look pretty cool too. They have that pinch technology. So if you're looking and you're a fan of nothing, you should check them out. See you in the next video.